Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are discuss about in a topic. The topic is my survey. My survey details survey solutions. Design your survey with a full range of standard questions. Utilize nested rosters and answer piping, cascading and linked questions. Scan barcodes capture. In mysurvey.com, a Legit website, although there are plenty of paid online survey scams to steer totally clear of mysurvey.com is not one of them. But I would not personally use my survey despite all of the above. There are much better surveys for cash websites. How do you write survey details? How to write a survey report? Decide the outcomes of the survey. Write your research summary. Create an outline of the report. Choose a layout. Include the methodology of your research. Mention any limitations in your research. Add appendices or if needed. What is surveying in detail? Surveying or land surveying is the technique, profession, art, and science of determining the terrestrial, two-dimensional or three-dimensional positions of point and the distance and angles between them. What is surveying in detail? What is the main purpose of survey? A survey is a method of gathering information using relevant questions from a sample of people with the aims of understanding populations as a whole. Surveys provide a critical source of data and insights for everyone engaged in the information economy, from business to media to government and academics. Does survey pay real money? You could earn several hundred or $1,000. Some surveys pay pennies while others pay several dollars or more. Typically, surveys pay anywhere from 50 cents to $5 each. Share Hawk said if you do these type of surveys regularly, you can expect to earn around $50 to $150 a month. Search which app gives real money for survey. Which app give real money for surveys? Swagback. Swagback is an online rewards program on teaching of them. Rewards user for doing everyday activities such as taking surveys, shopping online and watching videos. User earn points called swagbacks for completing activities, which can be exchanged for gifts, cards, cash and other rewards. 14 best online survey app to earn money in India for 2024. Earn Karo. Search for which app gives real money for survey. How do I start my survey? Create a survey. Click new survey. In step 1, write questions. Select the appropriate questions. Type and write your questions. In step 2, pick audience. Name your survey and select your target audience. How to do and when. Create a survey. Click new survey. In step 1, write questions. Select the appropriate questions, types and writes your questions. In step 2, pick audience, name your survey and select your target audience. In step 3, confirm survey, reviews your survey questions and purchase responses. How to complete a survey? Decide on your research goals, create a list of questions, invite the participants, gather your response, analyze the results, write a report. What is online survey details? Online surveys or web surveys are popular data collections tools that help organizations collect info of the them. With this, we end our video and see you in our next video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.